Let's warp text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here's I added my video. Now I'm going to add a warp text. So first of all, I'm selecting the text tool or type tool from this tool panel, and then I'm just dragging a box on my video just like this. So make sure you have to drag a box first of all. Once the box added, now just click here and press Ctrl V to paste your text, or you can just go ahead and write your entire text. Now in this left hand menu, you can change your text alignment just like this. You can also add here your text italic bold option. Now select your all text first of all, and then here you can increase your text size. You can change your text color from here. You can change your text font style from here. So go ahead and customize your text from here. So that's how you can actually warp text in Premiere Pro.